Why commenting your code matters.
Comments in code help explain what your program is doing. They make code easier to read and maintain, whether you're working alone or with a team. By mastering how to add comments in different programming languages, you ensure your code is clear and friendly for anyone who might read or update it in the future.
Comment syntax in Python.
In Python, use the hash symbol, hashtag, to mark a single-line comment. Everything after the hashtag on that line will be ignored by the program. For multi-line comments, you can use multiple hashtag lines or enclose text in triple quotes, like your comment, although triple quotes create a string rather than a true comment.
Comment syntax in Java and C#.
Both Java and C# use similar comment styles. Use /Java for single-line comments. For multi-line or block comments, surround your text with / at the start and / at the end. Example, this is a block comment. Both styles help clarify your code for future readers.
Comment syntax in C++.
Also supports tabs for single-line comments and positive for multi-line comments. This allows you to add explanations or temporarily disable code, making code easier to debug and maintain. Knowing these two types of comments keeps your C++ code well documented and clear.
Comment syntax in JavaScript.
JavaScript uses the same comment symbols as Java and C++. Use // to comment out a single line and // for multiple lines. Comments are essential in JavaScript, especially when scripts become long or complex, so adding clear comments is a best practice.
Comment syntax in Ruby.
In Ruby, single-line comments start with the number hash symbol. There is no official multi-line comment syntax, but you can use consecutive hash lines or enclose text between =begin and =end. Remember, these are mainly for documentation and should not be used inside class or method definitions.
Key takeaways on commenting.
Understanding comment syntax in each language helps make your code readable and maintainable. While each language has slight differences, the goal is always the same. Explain your logic clearly. Well-commented code is a sign of professionalism and helps both you and others in future coding projects.